Okay, in this video, I'm going to define what it means for f of x to be differentiable at a point x equals a. So this is something that actually we already know what it means, but I'm just telling you that this is the word that we use for it. So we say that f of x is differentiable at a point x equals a if the derivative exists. So if the derivative exists at x equals a. So if the function has a derivative at this point, then we call it differentiable. This double arrow means these two are equivalent, which means they're the same exact statement. Okay, so if the derivative exists at x equals a, we call the function differentiable. Another way to say this is if the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h exists. Oh, sorry, if f of a plus h minus f of a. So if the derivative, the definition of the derivative at a, if this limit exists, then the derivative exists, and so we call the function differentiable. And this is the same thing as saying that a is in the domain of the function f prime of x. So when I think of f prime as a function, the derivative is a function, then saying a is in the domains means that the derivative is defined at that point a, which means that the derivative exists there, and so it's the same thing as saying differentiable. So these four things all mean exactly the same thing, and the word that we use for that is differentiable.